name is Sandeep Chaudhary and I am DevOps engineer at Zenostech. My team is CloudOps and I'm a part of AWS Squad. And today we're gonna talk about TeamCity, a CI/CD tool which gonna help us in our day-to-day daily practices of DevOps. We have been facing challenges with Jenkins in our CI/CD processes. Yes, I know Jenkins is a most popular CI/CD tool that is being used most widely in the DevOps field. But using Jenkins comes with its own set of problems, such as scalability. When our software grows and it involves multiple developers and multiple lines of code and builds, it produces complexity to handle those builds. Apart from that, the number of plugins that we are going to use to manage all the extra or add-ons that we're going to implement our builds, such as notifications and other services, monitoring, which are not a part of Jenkins, and it could be very much difficult to handle those plugins and their versioning details. Looking up and researching upon multiple tools and multiple services provided worldwide, we came across our best match, that is TeamCity. TeamCity is developed by JetBrains as a CI/CD tool which has many features, built-in features that could be useful for our day-to-day DevOps practices. So what made TeamCity our best match? Let's discuss about some key features that we found to be interesting and we wanted to be a part of our CI/CD processes. So TeamCity enables us to integrate many things that help us to detect and ensure that our builds run successfully. When it comes to scalability, it accommodates large projects and teams and also efficiently enables most of the builds that are required to run a large project. Another one is multiple integrations and plugins that are available for integrating with the TeamCity. It also provides a visual interface for our builds that is easy to handle and check the issues. Code automation, code deployment to code testing, it provides more than that. Other than this, there are many things like artifact management, notification collaboration, and there are a bunch of many features that are provided by TeamCity. From plugin integration, it provides many things such as visual interface for our builds, code automation, code testing, artifact management, and notification and collaboration, and many such features that makes TeamCity the best choice for us. Let's have a look at implementation parts. So first we will discuss about the components of TeamCity. So TeamCity is a client-server model. So here are the two main components of TeamCity. First is TeamCity server, other is TeamCity agent. So TeamCity server is a central control panel, we can say, of the TeamCity, where majorly everything happens or controlled. And TeamCity agents are the main worker nodes where the main jobs are happening. So TeamCity agents could have been integrated with Docker or AWS or Maven or any other type of build environment that you want to use. So currently for this implementation, I've been using Docker to attach with the TeamCity agent, where I want to push my Docker images to the Docker Hub. The component is database and TeamCity shared library. So database, TeamCity offers multiple databases structures such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and few others. This database helps TeamCity to save and configure many things such as configuration files, build configurations, and others. And TeamCity shared library holds the logs and the configuration file and other stuff that are used during the builds. So in this implementation, I will just give you a brief about how we can start and set up TeamCity. So before moving towards the installation part, we need to understand about our system, our environment, such as the hardware specification, the software specification, the application specification that we need in our TeamCity. So TeamCity provides two types of installation. One is standalone installation and other one is Dockerized containerization. Standalone installation could be happened by using its binary in our systems. That could be our clusters or some other environments. And if you want to run the containerized version of, and if you want to use containerized, TeamCity also provides that. So here I'm going to explain you a small implementation, or I can say the process of integrating TeamCity. So here comes the VCS, version control system, and the TeamCity integration could be done by direct or by using webhooks. So let's talk about GitHub. GitHub provides webhooks that could be automated or triggered whenever we push things, and which can start the builds in the TeamCity. TeamCity provides you the GUI or the graphical user interface that is useful for build and seeing if any issues are coming. And the actual things happens here, TeamCity agents. And I want to build a Docker image, so I have taken Docker as a agent, and I've been using this process to push my Docker images to Docker Hub. So for the build pipelines, what should we do? So we write build configuration, which could be in easy methods to establish any builds in the TeamCity. So TeamCity provides various numbers of packages and libraries that could be useful for building tools, building pipelines. Build configuration could be written in Kotlin. Kotlin provides a large numbers of libraries and packages that could be helpful to create a dynamic build for our production level environments. Let's discuss about TeamCity use cases. Automated build and testing. TeamCity automates the build and testing processes, eliminating the need of manual intervention. It automatically triggers builds upon code changes, execute test, providing fast feedback and code quality, and identifying early in the development cycle. Code quality analysis. TeamCity integrates with code analysis tools such as SonarQube, ReSharp, and perform static analysis. It provides insights into the code quality, identifies potential bugs, code violation, performance issue, helping developers to maintain high code standards. Continuous integration feedback. TeamCity provides immediate feedback on builds and test results. It notifies developers about the build failure, test errors, allowing them to quickly address the issues and fix bugs before they propagate further. Release development and automation. With TeamCity, you can automate and release deployment processes. It ensures consistent deployments across different environments, such as deployment, staging, production. By configuring deployment pipeline, you can easily promote builds from one environment with just a few clicks. So how TeamCity will benefit our customers? Faster time to market. TeamCity enables continuous integration and delivery, allowing you to deliver new features, enhancements, and bug fixes to your customer at faster pace. By automating build and test and deployment processes, you can reduce the time it takes to develop, test, and release software, ensuring the valuable updates reach to your customer more quickly. Improved software quality. TeamCity helps in maintaining the high code quality standards through automated testing, code analysis, static code checks, by catching issues early in the development cycle. Increased stability and reliability. TeamCity promotes a consistent and reliable process. By automating deployments and enforcing consistent configuration, you can minimize deployment errors and ensure stable production environment. Transparent release processes. TeamCity provides visibility into the builds and deployment processes through a user-friendly interface, build logs, reports. The transparency helps build trust with your customer by providing insights into how software updates are being developed, tested, and deployed. It allows them to track progress, understand changes, and have confidence in their software release process. These are the benefits that will ensure a great relationship with your customer. Exploring TeamCity as my experimental day task was a great learning opportunity, and it's a great initiative by Stack, and it definitely helps us to grow. As a DevOps engineer, we have to keep updating ourselves as the tools are expanding and the market is growing as rapidly as it can. So, Stack's experimental day provide us the day for ourselves and help us in developing our skills, knowledge that will surely help us in our career. Thank you.